At least 226 people died after a 7.1 magnitude earthquake ripped through Mexico City on Tuesday. Tuesday's quake, Mexico's second in less than 2 weeks, sent dozens of buildings tumbling down and came on the anniversary of a 1985 quake that killed thousands, the Associated Press reported. Among the dead, according to the Los Angeles Times, were at least 20 children who lost their lives when a school collapsed. Mexico quake, more than 200 killed, 39 buildings collapse in Mexico City. Rescue continues. Latest updates https://mk3xygx357b. BBC News World Epic World September 20, 2017. Many of the deaths occurred in areas bordering Mexico City. AP reported. Morelos Governor Greco Ramirez reported on Twitter that at least 42 people had died in his state south of Mexico City. At least 11 others died in Puebla State, according to Francisco Sanchez, spokesman for the state's Interior Department. Governor Alfredo del Mazo said at least 8 had died in the state of Mexico, which also borders the capital. According to LAT, at least 94 of the deaths occurred in Mexico City. As AP noted, the quake sent many people fleeing and caused buildings to sway. Several gas leaks in Mexico City's Reforma Avenue after earthquake. People walking in all directions to get away. Shouts of no smoking. pic.twitter.comh49gelcd7, Rafa Fernandez at RAFAFC91 September 19, 2017. Mexico City rests on a former lake bed, making its soil all the more vulnerable to earthquakes.